Hello, I am Meg Shaver, the training and events lead here at Sell with Amy. We're going to go over payments, starting with configuring your account for your payments, for setting up your default tax percentage rate, sending invoices, and recording a payment. Let's get started. We'll open Amy. And the first thing we want to do is configure our payments. So we're going to navigate to our account tab, which is the little gear icon in the app toolbar. When you get here, you will scroll down. You'll see payments. We're going to focus first on configuring accounts. Now we see two different options. First is social payments, and second is point of sale. For social payments, you'll have Venmo, PayPal.me, and then the Cash App as options for you to configure. And under point of sale, you will have Square and PayPal here. Let's get into social payments first, and I'll show you how quick and easy it is to configure these accounts. We'll start with Venmo, and this is important. If you've forgotten your username, double check. I am going to put in my username. And then before I save, I am going to verify that this is me. Tapping on verify account, it'll open. Sweet, that's me. Feel good about it. Go back to Amy, and I will save this. And now we'll be able to see I have Cash and Venmo set up. We'll set up PayPal.me right now as well. And I'm pretty sure it's the same, but I want to verify first. Hey, that's me. Can't tell by the back of my head, but that's me. All right, saving that now. I have all of my social payments set up, and you can do this for whatever you're already using. And this just gives your customer the option of different ways to pay you. All right, next, let's go to our point of sales. You have two options here. It's important to know that you need to already have these apps installed on your phone. I have Square, so I will tap into that. I'm going to enable payments with Square, and I'm going to save. And now I am good to go. And I don't have PayPal here, so I'm not going to do that one, but it's the same process. You enable it, and then it'll go through the app that you already have, and you can save it. You'll be good to go on that front. Now, you have configured all of your accounts. Next thing up, we're going to go back to our account tab. Under payments again, whoops, we're already there. Sales tax. Okay, why does that matter? You can set your default sales tax percentage rate. This helps you not have to do math. So it'll automatically configure and figure out what the sales tax is based on your percentage. So I'm going to add mine, which is 6.25%. I'm going to hit save. It'll let me know it was updated, and now that's good to go. We don't need to worry about that when we send an invoice. That'll be automatically there for us. All right, speaking of sending invoices, let's walk through how to do that. We'll navigate to our account tab, and for this, we want to make sure that we're quickly adding an order. So we're going to add an order to Jersey. Tapping the plus sign, tapping record an order. Jersey is looking for some decor items. All right. Perfect. We're going to tap on complete. Now you'll see two options: record an order and checkout. Before you hit checkout, double check that the date of the order is correct, that you've identified the correct quantity and price for your orders, and that everything's good to go. And then we'll tap on checkout, and you'll see several different options here. Record a payment, charge a card, send an invoice. If you're recording a payment, you're acknowledging and saying, I've already been paid for this. And then if you're charging a card, this is using the point of sale system. And sending an invoice is using your social sales. So Venmo, Cash App, or PayPal.me. So here you can see several different things. Itemized list. This identifies each item, subtotal. Our sales tax is there because we already put in our default percentage rate, and we can edit fees. So if we tap on edit fees, you can update shipping. I'm going to add $6 for shipping and other fees. You can add discounts here. So if you put the minus sign first, that will work and it'll apply a discount to the order, or you can add additional fees for miscellaneous, whatever you need to charge for. We're going to save that, update it. Now we can see that it reflects the shipping, sales tax, and the discount that I applied. And when I send this invoice, they'll see this. So we'll tap on send invoice. And I'm going to copy this for today's purposes so I can show you what it looks like. And we will navigate to that. Perfect. Now we can see what your customer will see when you send them the invoice. They'll open to this page and they'll be able to see their itemized list, including all of the additional shipping, tax, discount, that will all be there. And then they can see all the ways they can pay you. It's as simple as them tapping on that right here, and it'll take them to pay you directly. That's why you want to make sure that your links are you. So this is what your customer will see, just so you know what how they get to pay you. All right, now we're going to look at actually recording the payment. So we've sent this invoice. We can see it's accounted for in Jersey's account. And we can also see that you will get prompted with to-dos. If you send an invoice, you'll be prompted to check in whether they have paid you or not yet. And under Manage Social Sales, you'll see this. I have 2 that I have sent a payment, or I have sent an invoice and I'm waiting for a payment. I can actually record one of these because I've received the payment. So you'll see, did they send a payment? At the bottom, you can hit yes or no. I'm going to hit yes. And now I can say what I was paid with. And I was paid through Venmo. Save that. Confetti will fall. The paid stamp will appear, and you'll know that this is now done. And you can go back to that social sales workflow, and you can check it out. One more way that I want to show you of recording payments is a very simple way, but we send out a lot of invoices sometimes, and we want to make sure that you have a place to track them. If you go to your dashboard, here you can see all of your lovely data. Tap on orders, the little box icon, and you'll be able to see all of your orders. And then if you tap over orders with invoices, it'll identify just those that you've sent an invoice. And we can see I have a few open ones and then several paid orders. So Elliot actually paid me for this order. I'm going to tap on it. I'm going to tap on view invoice. This will take you back to that page that's pretty familiar to you because you've already been there. And you'll tap on record payment, how they paid you through PayPal.me. It's paid, confetti is marked off, you're good to go. And now when you go in here, you'll see it's paid. So that's just one additional way to record the payment that you receive. If you ever get lost, just need to check it off. That's how you do it. We want to make sure that you know the resources available to you. If you go to your account tab, scroll down under resources and support, you can find several different things to help you. If you tap on the help portal, everything that we covered today is here under socials, selling, and you can see collecting payments. And there's 4 articles within this bucket. You can review these, check them out, learn more, and feel free to reach out to us if you have questions. We wish you the best of luck. Bye, friends.